Hello guys, welcome to my Advantech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix could not find the recovery environment on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are getting the error could not find the recovery environment while resetting your Windows 10 or Windows 11, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you just need to open the command prompt. For that, you just need to click on this start menu or search bar, then type here cmd, then right click on this command prompt and click on run as administrator. Click on yes to allow. Here you need to type reagent reagent / enable and hit enter. You can see reagent c.exe operation successful. After seeing this, just close this window and restart your PC. After restarting, hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix could not find the recovery environment on your Windows 10. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.